I think that we will have rapid economic growth. You get to a point where you have an AI that can learn to do things quickly, and you have many of them, then there will be a strong force to deploy them in the economy. I think the idea of very rapid economic growth for some time, I think it's very possible.
What Ilya is describing here is the ignition point of what I call the turbulent decade, not a crisis decade, a transformation decade. We tend to think economic acceleration comes from breakthroughs inside the lab. But the real shift happens when AI starts learning inside the economy, when deployment itself becomes part of the learning curve. We move from invent to deploy to learning through deployment. And that's when growth stops being linear. This early acceleration is the kickoff moment. It's subtle, then suddenly obvious, because the companies that learn fastest are amplified and the ones that don't fall behind. That's the implementation gap leaders are feeling right now. The models seem powerful, but the organization isn't ready to absorb that power. As deployment scales, AI won't only automate, it will learn. It will get better by doing real work in real environments. And that's when the rapid economic growth Ilya hints at becomes visible. If you lead a team, prepare now. The turbulent decade arrives gradually, and then all at once.